Hello and welcome to the Moran Factor with Tim Moran.
And no Villalobos.
Today on the discussion board is congressional district lines, especially those who draw the congressional lines. There are many different opinions on who should draw the district lines. In our 50 states of the Union, there are 3 ways for congressional redistricting. 1, by state legislators, 2, by political commissions, and last but definitely not least, by independent commissions. So, how does redistricting work?
Redistricting occurs every 10 years following the census. A state has one of the 3 ways to redistrict congressional lines. We'll go over each in a little more detail. First, state legislator. This is when politicians of the state legislature come together and redraw the lines. They base their lines off population. Even though the districts may be near equal in population, doesn't mean they are equal in political party strength. For example, if it was Baltimore and half the Eastern Shore were a district, and East Baltimore and the other half of the Eastern Shore were a district, the Democrats would easily overpower the Republicans. When this happens, it is called gerrymandering, or the drawing lines to favor one party or another. The second way is by political commissions. This is a little more balanced than the state legislature, but there's nothing prohibiting the state legislators from being in the commissions. In other states, the legislators elect officials to draw district lines. When you elect those officials, the number of Democrats and Republicans are about equal, which takes out gerrymandering for the most part. Finally, the third and most fair way is through independent commissions. This is when the people who redraw district lines cannot be politicians and cannot run for office. They are a committee of seemingly almost random people, thus taking out gerrymandering altogether. So Tim, how do you think district lines should be drawn?
In most states, the legislator draws the district lines. This is an old tradition which can lead to gerrymandering. Gerrymandering is a primary concern of the people when congressional districts are drawn. Gerrymandering causes people to lose their political power as individuals. The state of Arizona, along with 9 other states, have tried to combat this unfair drawing of lines. They want the lines not to be drawn by legislators, but instead by independent state commissions. These commissions don't have the goal to make one political party stronger than the other, but instead for the people to be properly represented. This new system has been brought to court and has succeeded. These new independent commissions, because their goal is to help people be properly represented in Congress, should be the ones to draw congressional districts. So Noe, what do you think?
Well, Tim, I agree with you. State legislator is very biased, dependent on the major party a state is affiliated with. Gerrymandering is very unfair for the people of the state. Their power to vote is damaged because their vote has little worth. Therefore, I think independent commissions are the way to go, just because they're unbiased and allow bipartisanship. This is a major topic that gets little attention on mainstream media. If more people start talking about this change, it will occur, and the people as a whole will have more power. Thank you for watching the
Moran Factor with Tim Moran
and no Villalobos.